Hello YouTubers, this is Crypto Inspector. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna guide you through my channel so you can see why is it useful and how you can get benefit of it. So let's say you're new into cryptocurrencies and you wanna know what the heck is it and where to start. So you can go to my playlist here and then you can go to the playlist that says just starting into cryptocurrencies. What I suggest you to see, and I'll link all those in the description. So first of all, you want to know what is a blockchain. So in this 5 minute, you will understand what is a blockchain. That's one of the most important things you need to know. And then you can go to crypto mining, explain in 5 minutes. So you know how cryptocurrency is produced, right? So after that, you get some idea about cryptocurrency. You can go to how to transfer and track transactions. Okay, that's also very important. If you're new into cryptocurrency, you need to know how to send crypto from one wallet to another and receive, of course. So this video, I break it down. It's quite easy. And then up to that point, once you see those minutes, in 15 minutes, you're fully certified to open an account with a broker. So I work with several brokers. I trust them, I test them. That's why I promote them. I've been working with them since years now. I don't have any issues with them. So you can see here, you can open an account with crypto.com, with Binance. I even go step by step how to open an account, and then you'll need to watch the CoinMarketCap portfolio video, right? Because you're gonna be starting to have some cryptos and you need to manage them in one place. I don't advise you to have only one broker. It's better to diversify your investments, and even you need to watch also DeFi wallet. So maybe you don't want to work with brokers, right, with KYC, but it has its advantages and disadvantages, which I explained it in the video also. So that's it. If you're new into cryptocurrencies, I guided you. I'll link down in the description how to start. And now let's say you are into crypto and you want to benefit from my channel. Why subscribe to my channel, right? And don't subscribe. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and learn and share. So if you're into crypto already, or you want to know about more which cryptocurrencies, why would you invest on it? You can go to my 5-minute playlist here. And also I've got a 30-second if you're a busy guy and you don't have much time. So I do explain the best cryptocurrencies in 30 seconds or in 5 minutes. So in this, I keep populating it. Already there are some, and there will be even more. And also there's the 30-second crypto explainer, which is populating also. So these cryptos, I suggest them. I studied them, I researched them, and that's why I promote them. And you'll see by yourself once you know and watch these videos why they're good. If you're into NFTs, I'll be populating those. There's also a channel about that. But so this is the idea. Now, if you want to get the news, that's prime what I do. So every week I post in my Crypto Weekly News the latest updates of cryptocurrencies, right? I usually talk about 10 biggest update from last week, so you're keeping the trend and you know what's going on. So you can see here I already got few videos there from last week's, and if you subscribe you'll get the notification once I get the newest week, so you know which cryptos are going better, what projects is going on, how they're expanding and all. So you can get real news every week from me. And also there's also shorts, so I do also post them in short, the news, the last week news, and in 5 minutes all the news. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoy my channel. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the most important. So let's say you're into cryptocurrencies or you're not, and you don't wanna listen to me, right? Also, it's an option. You wanna do it yourself. I really appreciate that, because I'm that kind of guy, by the way. So what I would advise you to see is I've got some videos that I do explain, which is in just starting into cryptocurrencies. This one here, 6 research tips before choosing your crypto, okay? And also how to spot crypto hackers, how to spot crypto insta hackers, right? And I'll be making more of those. So what I do is I put myself for you basically in the risk, and I read them, how they scam, and I do make those videos. So on the videos that I have here, some of them are actually real people trying to scam me. So I took the risk for you, and I show you how they do that with social engineering, manipulation and techniques, right? So you can watch these, and that's for free, right? You get these videos, you get people like paying money to get this info. So I get it for free for you because I do support crypto, and it is the future. It's now booming, so you know you can be protected. So that's it. Welcome, and Crypto Inspector is out.